This is NexTool's Camper Plier 10. These just keep getting better and better with more and more tools on them, all while keeping the size nice and compact. And the CP10 has to be one of the best all-arounders. There are some smaller alternatives, like this one from NexTool, the F12. But if you're trying to do any real work, the CP10 is the one to go for. First up, you've got that set of pliers, and look how nicely these close. You know, some of the cheaper ones, you try to use them and the tips don't even touch. You've also got some little nippers in there, wire cutters, or a crimping plier here. And then for the scissors, a nice spring on them, back into place. So what else is included here? You get on the back here a small little ruler. Then you've got your main blade, and all these blades are 5CR15 MOV. It's a pretty standard metal, which is good all around at holding edge, sharpening easy, and cost effective. And that has an inline lock here. Then you've got a fire starter on the back here. Also a bottle opener, and this is a tent stake puller. So if you have a stake in the ground, you can hook that around it. Makes it easier to pull out. Next up, you've got a can opener and a flat head. And lastly, on the outside here, you've got a saw with a lock. And for EDC, you've got a clip here that is removable. And this weighs in at 194 grams. In my opinion, everyone should have a multi-tool handy. They also make great gifts. If you like videos on outdoor gear, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We post videos like this all the time. If you're looking for deals on outdoor gear, be sure to check out GearChase.com, where we post deals that we find all over the web on our homepage. I'll leave links to that down below.